Hi everybody. So I'm out in the shop working on a 2006 Chevy Uplander and taking care of a problem. The customer brought the vehicle in saying there was a rattling noise coming from the back of the car, and as it turns out the emergency brake cable is actually a bit sloppy when the cable is released, and so what it does is this piece here is rattling on the rear axle. And I know some of you guys are going to say, well, you got to tighten up the adjuster, but this is actually how this vehicle has been since it was brand new. And even if you take the slack up out of the adjuster, whenever the parking brake is turned off, whenever it's released, there's so much slack across this entire span. You see where the cable goes from here all the way to here. There's just so much slack that it just sits here and rattles against the axle, little axle cover. So basically what I've done, which seems to work pretty well, is basically get a piece of foam. This is like a, it's like an open cell white plastic foam, and basically just zip tie it on, use a wire tie, and put this around the cable. So something like this. And just zip that on, and it acts as a cushion, so it'll still shake around, it'll move. The cable can, you can apply the emergency brake, it can tighten up and release, but certainly when it's bouncing down the road, you're not going to hear it as it bounces and rattles against this. So, this does not last forever, but it's a cheap and easy fix, and it definitely lasts a couple years. So, I've done this on this van probably 4 times since 2006. Actually, I think this is the 4th time since 2006. So, you get 4 or 5 years out of it, not too bad. So, pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.